Dinner with Grandma.
Aiden, could you set the table while I finish cooking?
Of course, Grandma. Where did you put the forks?
They're in the top drawer, right next to the spoons.
Found them. Should I use the big plates or the smaller ones?
The big ones, please. We're having spaghetti tonight. And don't forget the garlic bread, I know that's your favorite.
You always remember. Honestly, you're the best cook in the world.
Huh. Compliments won't get you out of helping.
I wasn't trying to escape, but maybe it's working a little?
Nice try, young man. Keep setting the table.
Okay, 2 plates, 2 forks, and 2 napkins. Anything else?
Yes, don't forget the glasses.
Oh, right. I almost missed those. Should I put a flower in the middle, like they do in fancy restaurants?
A flower? That's a sweet idea.
Yeah, it'll make dinner feel special.
Then this must be a 5-star dinner.
5 stars? More like 10 stars when you're the chef.
You're full of charm today. Now, could you also bring the water jug?
On it. Do you want me to light a candle too?
A candle? That might be fun. Just be careful.
Don't worry, Grandma. I'll make sure it's safe.
Well, this table is looking beautiful. Thank you, Aiden.
Anything for my favorite grandma. Now I'm even hungrier.
Printer troubles and a helpful friend.
Ugh, why won't this printer connect to my laptop? I've been trying for ages.
Did you install the printer software yet?
No, I thought it would just connect automatically.
Not always. Most printers still need a driver installed first.
A driver? What exactly is that?
It's basically a small program that lets your computer talk to the printer. Without it, they can't work together.
Oh, I see. So how do I get this driver?
Easy. Just go to the printer's official website, download the driver for your laptop, and follow the instructions.
I'm not very good with this kind of stuff.
Don't worry. Once you've done it once or twice, it'll feel simple.
Okay. I'll try, but I hope I don't mess it up.
You won't. Just take it step by step, and it'll work fine.
Alright, I'll give it a shot.
And if anything doesn't work, just call me, I'll walk you through it.
Thanks, that makes me feel better.
Anytime. Once it's set up, printing will be super easy.
Great, I'm looking forward to finally getting this working.
You will. And hey, once it's connected, we can print those photos we talked about.
Perfect. That'll be fun.